a lot of the things we are cleaning were created by you. Last month I was solving a university strike out of a CBA of 2017-2021 when people were in the office and saying they will not pay their lecturers. We are paying them now, cleaning their rubbish. It is unfair to accuse us of not working when we are busy cleaning what you messed. And we will not accept. We will not accept. And we will not taking lying down. We will work and we will tell people the truth with numbers, not stories. This story cha bunwasi zilisha. Wase wanaona magari. Hata mtu akuja tuambie kitu atafanya. Not just coming and meandering kama kolime, kutayewa thing mtapala thiki. We will not keep quiet. Wase you'd rather I keep quiet, I don't tell you. You will ask me, why didn't you tell me? So I have to tell you. So we will support you, but we want you to be realistic about what we are doing. Some people, we are working to bring the SGR in Konga to make a station. Shabana, we've given, the president has given them a bus, and he has said we're going to do the stadium. We are doing the Suneka. We brought a university in Nyamira. And somebody starts saying university talking nonsense. We cannot accept.